We often hear about electric cars, but the real challenge has always been making heavy trucks and commercial vehicles electric. The reason is simple. They have to travel long distances, carry heavy loads, and long charging times stop their work. China's biggest battery company, CATL, has introduced a battery that can charge to 80% in just 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. That's almost the same time as filling a diesel tank. Not only does it charge this fast, but the battery is also claimed to last up to 1 million kilometers. That means a vehicle could run for around 10 years without needing a battery replacement. But can it really replace diesel forever? Will electric trucks and vans now become cheaper and better than diesel ones? What special technology is inside this battery? How does it perform in cold weather? How much difference will it make in real life? And is it really as durable as the company claims? Most importantly, how much could it change the transport industry in the coming years? Before we move ahead in the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss videos like this. Let's talk about the vehicles we see every single day. Early in the morning, milk delivery vans, small trucks carrying vegetables, and Amazon and Flipkart delivery vehicles start moving on the roads. Most of the city's small supply network depends on them, but they all face one major problem, and that's one of the biggest reasons electric vehicles have still not fully replaced diesel. Even today, most fleet operators and small business owners prefer diesel vehicles. The reason is simple. The biggest obstacle in electric vehicles is still the battery. First comes charging. Imagine a driver starts work at 5 a.m. and keeps making deliveries all day. By evening, the battery is running low. Now, the driver has to visit a charging station and wait there for 1 or 2 hours, sometimes even longer. During that time, the vehicle stays parked, work stops, and earnings are directly affected. Because of this, only 2 or 3 delivery trips can be completed in a full day. The second problem is battery life. Commercial vehicles usually travel around 200 to 300 kilometers every day. Because they are used continuously, the battery starts wearing out faster. After a few years, it may need to be replaced, and a new battery is not cheap. A diesel vehicle, on the other hand, can keep running for many years without any major battery expense. That's why many people still trust diesel more. If you talk to people who already drive electric vans, you'll hear almost the same complaints. Charging takes too long, battery life remains a concern, and performance in cold weather is less reliable. That is why many small businesses and fleet operators still consider diesel vehicles the better choice. Diesel may be more expensive to run and create more pollution, but it doesn't let them down during work. These challenges have been the biggest roadblock for electric commercial vehicles for many years. People want to buy EVs, and governments are encouraging them too. But until these real battery problems are solved, it will be difficult to build complete trust. But now things are being claimed to change. China's biggest battery company, CATL, has introduced a new battery that is said to solve these very problems. The big question now is, can this technology really give diesel a serious challenge? CATL's latest breakthrough TechTrans 2 battery. Now let's talk about the new technology that is creating a lot of buzz across the electric vehicle industry. China's biggest and the world's #1 battery company, CATL, introduced its new battery in July 2026. It is called TechTrans 2, also known as Tiangying 2. This battery has been specially designed for light commercial vehicles. That means small delivery vans, cargo vehicles, and city transport vehicles that stay on the road every day. The biggest highlight of this battery is its 8C ultra-fast charging. CATL says it is the first battery of its kind for the logistics sector. According to the company, charging time for electric vehicles has now become so short that it is getting much closer to the convenience of petrol and diesel vehicles. The charging speed has attracted the most attention. According to CATL, this battery can charge from 20% to 80% in just 6 minutes and 48 seconds. That means by the time you finish a cup of tea or take a short break, the vehicle can be ready to get back to work. The company also says a full charge takes around 9 minutes. Earlier charging used to take hours, but now the time has been reduced a lot. The direct benefit is that the vehicle can stay on the road longer and complete more deliveries during the day. The second big advantage is its long life. CATL is offering a 10-year, or 1 million kilometer warranty on this battery. Even if a commercial vehicle drives around 250 to 300 kilometers every day, the battery is designed to last for many years. Earlier, many people worried about replacing the battery after a few years. But the company says this technology could reduce that concern to a large extent. CATL calls this idea battery life equals vehicle life. In simple words, the battery is designed to last as long as the vehicle itself. It is not just about fast charging. This battery has also been developed to handle harsh weather conditions. The company claims it performs well even at temperatures as low as -20 degrees C. In such cold weather, charging takes only about 2 to 3 minutes longer. This means vehicle performance should not be affected much even in colder regions. CATL also says it has made several changes to the battery's internal design so that it does not overheat during fast charging and remains safe for long-term use. In other words, it has been built with the daily needs of commercial vehicles in mind. This news is important for another reason as well. CATL is not a new or small company. Many major automakers, including Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes, already use its batteries. So when CATL itself shows confidence in this new technology for commercial vehicles, the industry is taking it seriously. The magic of charging speed. Now let's talk about the feature that has made this new battery the biggest topic of discussion. CATL's Techron 2 battery can charge from 20% to 80% in just 6 minutes and 48 seconds. A full charge takes around 9 minutes. That is why many people see it as a major breakthrough. Until now, most electric commercial vehicles needed anywhere from 30 minutes to 1 hour to reach 80% charge. During that time, the vehicle stayed parked. The driver had to wait, and work came to a stop. But if charging can be completed in just a few minutes, the vehicle can stay on the road longer and complete more deliveries in a single day. Now the question is, how is such fast charging possible? CATL calls it 8C charging technology. In simple words, the C rating shows the charging speed. A 1C rate means charging the battery in about 1 hour, while 8C represents charging that is many times faster. CATL says it has made changes inside the battery that allow electricity to flow in much faster, while also reducing heat during charging. That is why the battery can charge in such a short time. The company says these are not just laboratory numbers. According to CATL, the battery has shown similar performance in real-world testing as well. Even in cold weather, charging is not affected much. At -20 degrees C, it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes longer. Another important point is that this technology is not designed only for regular passenger cars. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest technology videos. See you in the next.